Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. In this lecture, lecture number 4, today we will learn about tense. Okay, so you look at the board here. Tense, T-E-N-S-E, tense. In this lecture, first we will learn about the origin of tense, from which word the word tense has been derived. Then we will learn the meaning of tense. How will you define the word tense? And then finally we will learn about the classification of tense. Okay, so let's start. The word tense has been derived from Latin word tempus. Latin word tempus. Tempus means time. Now again, the word tense has been derived from Latin word tempus, which means time. Okay, so this is the origin of tense. From which word the word tense has been derived? Sir, from Latin word tempus, which means time. Tense meaning is time. Now, how will you define the word tense? Basically, the word tense is a form of verb which shows the time of an action. Okay, so now if you look at the board here, I am going to write this definition. Okay, tense is a form of verb which shows the time of an action. This is the definition of tense. Very important. Okay, basically tense shows us about the time. For example, right now I'm teaching. Yesterday I was writing. Tomorrow I will be playing. Okay, this is the definition of tense. Now we will learn about the classification of tense. How many tenses? Okay, so there are three main tenses. How many tenses? There are three main tenses. Tense. Number 1, past tense. Number 2, present tense. Number 3, future tense. Past tense. Now I am here and now I go there. Okay, so now I start going. So now this place is my past, and now this place now here right now is my present, because now I am here, and that place is my future. So that's why first I have written here past, and then present, and then future. Okay, now there are mainly three tenses. Now each of these tenses is further divided into 4 types. Number 1, indefinite. Number 2, continuous. Number 3, perfect. Number 4, perfect continuous. Okay, so these four types has in past tense, it means past indefinite, past continuous, past perfect continuous. So in past has further 4 types, and in present has also these 4 types. It means present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect continuous. This is the classification of tense. And in future also has these 4 types: future indefinite, future continuous, future perfect continuous. So it's enough for today. Inshallah, tomorrow we will learn about present indefinite tense. Okay, it's enough for you today. Thank you so much.